So, are you overwhelmed and confused with affiliate marketing? Well, in this video, I'm going to be solving your problem with that. So, I'm breaking down 3 simple steps. So, my name is Darius Mckinney, and I'm a digital entrepreneur, and I help people make money online through affiliate marketing to achieve time, location, and freedom. So, if that's what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification. And also, get my free affiliate marketing ebook that teach you how to get started from A to Z. So it will be the first link in my description. So let's get started in today's video. So basically, affiliate marketing works in 3 simple ways, right? It's no secret. It's really no big secret or anything fancy like that. Basically, it's just 3 simple steps, right? So the first way is basically you join affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing network. So what is an affiliate marketing network or a program? So basically, that is a marketplace where you can find products and services you promote to future customers that you want to advertise to or promote to, and they buy. So that's basically what affiliate marketing program and affiliate marketing network is. So the first step is you got to join the affiliate marketing program. Alright, so the second step to affiliate marketing is basically you promote or advertise your product. So basically you can do that 2 ways. So you got free traffic or you got paid traffic. So free traffic is like you go on social media or you go on forums or you go on blogs or stuff, and then you put out content and get people to your opt-in page. So basically an opt-in page is you capture people's email and you send them to your offer, and you promote it in the back end of your business. So now paid traffic is where you do like Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Instagram story ads or just regular Instagram stories or anything like that. So basically, you know how you see on your feed, you see an ad that says sponsored. That's basically an ad either on YouTube or social media, anything like that. So basically that's what paid ad is. So yeah, that's the second step. So the second step is promote or advertise your product. Alright, so guys, so the third step is basically you make money. So basically that's really it. So if they buy your product, you basically make money. So anytime somebody like click on your link or and basically that if they click on your link and they buy, that's basically it. And if they buy it, you make money. So that's basically the essence of affiliate marketing. So yep, that's it. So let me know in the comment section of this video if this was very helpful or not. So again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification. And I'll see you in the next time I post videos on this YouTube channel.